3 a.m., 2 a.m. in the morning, 12 a.m. in the morning. You don't get business with that one. All right, guys. Hope you guys can see my screen on Telegram. All right. Now, like I said earlier, this class is going to be titled "How to Trade the Forex Market." And what I mean by how to trade the Forex market and why we are starting tonight with that particular topic is you need to understand that, like I said, this is not a beginner class. In case you're a beginner, we already have materials for beginners that you can always download and watch over and over again. Now, you are a forex trader or a crypto trader, you're a synthetic trader, you want to trade. So one of the things that you need to do is firstly to understand what you want to do. Understand what you want to do. This is what I mean. Today is Monday. For instance, today is Monday. I want to trade. Now, I don't really know if I will see opportunity in XAUUSD or GBUSD, but I am a trader, a full-time trader. So I'm already in front of my laptop. I will first of all open my laptop to cross-check one or two pairs. For instance, I will be trading between the hour of 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. That is between London section and New York session. And you, as a trader in this platform, it is only you that can make that decision. If I am helping you to draw a trading plan, I cannot tell you when to trade because I don't know your own daily schedules as a human. You are the one to tell yourself, okay, I will only be get time around 2 o'clock. So that means you need to be trading the New York section. So if you're the type that you are always available and you want to be trading both the New York and the London section, then tell yourself the truth. So let's say, for instance, today is Monday and I want to trade. And I want to start my trading from 9 a.m. That means I'll be trading the London section. So in case you don't know how to check the London section, when the London section will open or the New York section, go to my FS book. Go to my FS book. Now, once you open my FS book, the first page on the platform, you will see the different trading sections that we have. We have just 4 trading sections, which are New York, London, Tokyo, and Sydney. These are the 4 trading sections. For instance, the one that will be opening 1 hour from now is the Sydney market. And after the Sydney market, the Tokyo market will open. So for those of you that trade overnight, remember you always trade the Sydney or the Tokyo. Now, tomorrow by 9 a.m. in the morning, the London section will open. That is around 30 hours from now. And by 2 p.m., the New York market will open. That is 18 hours from now. Now, I need you also to understand this as a Nigerian or as someone who trades the London and the New York session. You need to understand the gap. There is something called overlapping in the market, you understand, so that you will not be don't be too carried away in the way that you will be trading the London section, then the New York market will not open without your notice. Like you will just be aware, say New York market will open, then the market open, you now notice some changes, like some volumes in the market. You now be like, this market don't fasting. We call that particular section overlapping when we have 2 different sections open at the same time. So as at that time, there is a way to also approach the market. So tonight, like I said, today is Monday and I want to trade. I'll first of all know what I want to be trading and the best time to trade what I want to be trading. So now the pairs that I prefer trading is the major pairs. Then for those of you that really don't understand what the major pairs and the exotic pairs and the cross exotic pairs, the major pairs are those pairs that has, I don't want to mention the name, maybe those bundles. Let me type. The major pairs are those pairs that has those people here, that has the USD with them. You understand? The US dollar is attached to the pair. Those are the major pairs. The US dollar, the euro, and the GBP. US, euro, GBP. Now we have the GBP USD is a major pair, the euro USD is a major pair, the USD JPY is a major pair. All of those pairs that have these three currencies, those are major pairs because US dollar is the universal currency, and the euro also it is used worldwide, and the British pounds as well. So now I love trading the major pairs, and as someone who trade the major pairs, the best time to trade the major pairs is during the London session or the New York session. Guys, are we following? If you are here on Telegram, please indicate if you are following. If you are on Telegram, are you following? Alright guys, please give me a few seconds. Let me change over. Let I don't give us light. Sorry. Alright guys, I'm so sorry for that. I just have to show you what so that we can continue the class. If I'm joining on TikTok, please do double tap on the screen for me and share the live stream. So now, as I was saying, you need to understand all of this stuff first. You understand? As a day trader. Now, me that knows trading the major pairs, I need to also understand that the best time to trade the major pairs is during the London section and the New York section. The people on Telegram, can you still see my screen? Because I just changed it. I don't know if this still went off. So during the London section and the New York section, that is the best time to trade the major pairs. And a trader that is trading this commodity, XAUUSD, you can actually trade it better. The best time to trade that particular commodity is during the New York session afternoon by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. So now, I will now come to the chart. It is not a must to trade XAUUSD today, Monday, and it is not a must to trade EURUSD. As full-time traders, let's learn this on time, that we only trade opportunities. If you are a full-time trader and you know yourself to be a professional trader, you are not coming to the market to do guesswork. You must train yourself to always trade opportunities, not assumption. You must train yourself to trade according to your trading plan, not according to your feelings, not emotions. Now, let's break that down so that we can understand that better as we move forward. Now, trading your trading plan, what I mean by you must train yourself to trade your trading plan is, I mentioned something earlier that the best time to trade the major pairs is during the London section and the New York session. And the London section opens by 9 a.m. Nigeria time. And the New York session opens by 2 p.m. Nigeria time. And you don't already tell yourself, say the best time that you will be trading based on you only trade the major pairs is either the London session or the New York session. Now, you don't have any business trading at night, maybe by 6 a.m. or 3 a.m., 2 a.m. in the morning, 12 a.m. in the morning. You don't get business with that one. You understand? You're not supposed to be able to check your chart as at that time. As at that time, you're supposed to be resting. That is one rule where you're supposed to abide with according to your trading plan. Now, there are other people that should be trading in that particular hour. There are some persons who are supposed to be trading for night. People like, if you are a 9 to 5 worker, I would advise you not to trade the London section except you are prepared to receive your sack letter. Because you cannot be doing this and you are doing this at a time. Once your boss find out, you are gone. So it is better to trade either the Sydney section or the Tokyo section. Figure one out for yourself, the best time for yourself. When you say you no go collide with any other activity where you always do. You understand? Then fix that time for your trading as your trading section. Now, I already know that I'll be trading my major pairs, and the best time to trade the major pairs is during the London and the New York. Then I will come to the market. Which best? I see you. Good evening, bro. We are currently on Telegram. You can join us on Telegram. So another thing that we need to do now is this. I want to trade. Is it a must to trade XAUUSD? Is it a must that today, Monday, I must trade EURUSD? No, it's not a must for your information. You need to learn to trade opportunities instead of you to be trading absorption or trading your emotion. Now, the absorption that I'm talking about here is this. For those of us that were trading XAUUSD for quite some time now, we were selling for like 3 weeks ago, and 2 weeks we were selling. Then last week, the market started buying. We were buying. We actually saw the buy on time, and we took advantage of it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But by Thursday, my asset got smashed. On Friday, two asset got smashed. Now, you see, based on say the market don't buy for these 2 days when my asset got smashed, another person who is not so well inclined about the market now think that is how the market will be buying. Now, instead of you to trade opportunities where the market will present to you, or maybe the person will not think, okay, this is the best time to sell now. And the market don't buy already. You don't already they do another thing. Now you will not be okay. Just or say don't they buy things. I think this market will sell from here. Without clear confirmation, we will jump inside the sale because we just want to trade. We just want to be inside that particular pair. So what is the best thing to do as a full-time trader? Now, the best thing to do here is, you see this market, it's either the bulls are in charge or the bears are in charge. Now, according to your own level, according to your knowledge, because they know this market past each other, you can do your analysis. You will be seeing sell opportunities. I will do mine. I will be seeing buys opportunities. Now, sometimes, if he went to your TP and smashes my own SL, it doesn't make me wrong. Rather, now me no see what you see. So at that time, instead, I didn't see what you see. I will follow you by too, so that our TP will get smashed. Now, that is why we need to understand that he get the time when this market will confuse traders. I feel they confused, maybe you know they confused. Like this chart feel don't confuse me, but you still there in line, you still they understand every single step where the market will make. Why am I saying all of those stories? As a trader, it is when you understand what is happening. That is the only time you can be trading the opportunities presented by the market. It is only when you understand what is happening. That is the only time you can be taking advantage of the opportunities presented by the market, and you will use that to smash your TP. Now, when you no really understand wetin dey happen, you go dey do twinkle twinkle na you go take dey trade so. Na try your luck you go dey play so. You understand? So instead of you to trade with maybe assumption, trade opportunities. And the best way to trade opportunities is to make sure you understand what is happening. So that is the point. So today is Monday, we want to trade. First of all, we don't already know the section where we want to trade, and the section might be this. Then we don't select some pairs where we want to look into. Then the first pair when I open now XAUUSD. I will analyze the XAUUSD. I will do the top-down analysis on the XAUUSD. After the top-down analysis, if I don't really I don't really understand the information, like I don't really understand what dey happen there according to what I see like this. Now, I'm not supposed to force myself inside that market. What is the advice of me is to leave that particular pair, look out for opportunity for another pair. That is why anytime your your SL smashed, if you visit other pairs, you're going to see big opportunities there. But now based on saying you don't first go there before you trade wetin give you SL, na every you use why you use that wetin you use. Guys, are we following? If you are here on TikTok, please double tap on your screen for me and share the live. Guys, are we following here on Telegram? All right. So now, should we understand what I dey talk since? So now, let's advance a little. You see, today is Monday. You don't already know the time where you want to trade wetin you want to trade. Now, you don't already know the pairs, the best pairs where you're supposed to trade for that particular time. You don't already select them out. And also, you don't already understand, say, you don't need to force yourself inside any pair. You don't already know, say, today, now the one where you understand, now you will trade. You understand? You don't already, because we don't talk on this night. So the next phase now, how you go take they do the analysis in a way that you will come to understand what dey happen before you come to execute the trade. Remember, don't have a preferred currency pair. Like, don't have a preferred pair that you are trading, especially if you're a beginner. Now, don't have a preferred. Now, I will tell you why. If you have been following me, you still follow me for like 1 year. Make it be say the only time when I don't trade good, you don't pass 3 times. Because all the time now XAUUSD will see I will trade. Anytime when you come to XAUUSD. Now that doesn't mean that I am married to XAUUSD. No. I only dey trade XAUUSD where if I understand what thing they do. Sometimes I know dey trade down, and that time when I no call you understand the information, maybe like 2 days, I no call understand. Like now, on Monday, my TP is March, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then on Thursday, the man are supposed to still catch that market because in the morning, first give me small stuff, you understand? But later in the day, because I first follow do small buy before I first start to sell. With the mindset of the markets are there before start to say according to my daily analysis. And I actually saw a reversal pattern on the 30-minute time frame and I executed the sell and the market violated the analysis. You no respect the analysis. Now on Thursday, then on Friday, the same thing. Now, if the same thing should happen on Monday, like make I analyze, make it violate my analysis, that means the market don't dey confuse me with that. I will just give her space. She look out for an opportunity in another pair. Guys, I don't know if you are together. Now, if I repeat the same thing, if the same thing repeat itself tomorrow Monday, then I need to refresh my brain, my memory. I will first of all give her time so that my mind will calm for the pair. If you follow me, you go know say you don dey long now when we say God don dey favour us for this market back to back as if tomorrow no dey. But if it still repeat between Thursday, Friday, and on Monday, my SL still small, that means this market don confuse me as an individual. So I go leave am. Then I think I'll go check maybe Euro USD or GBP USD or USD to whatever one when I foresee more opportunities. So you don't already understand that one now. So how do you look for the opportunity in the market? That is the next thing. How do we spot those opportunities in the live market? Let's double tap on our screen if you are here on TikTok. And if you are here on Telegram, if you have any question, please do well to unmute yourself and ask, or you can drop it as a text on the platform. I will always answer that. And like I said, we have a lot to discuss on our Telegram community, and we have a lot of scores to settle on our WhatsApp platform because a lot of things are coming up, and there are some things that I want us to focus on this week. But before we start, we need to remove some persons from the platform because we have a lot of readers on that platform that are making things not work the way it's supposed to be. The God will guide us, give us wisdom to do that effectively. So now let's continue. How do you now spot those opportunities on time? If you come this market, always tell yourself the truth. You see, in the liquidity market as a whole, if another person will buy, you dey sell, and your TP na hit, it doesn't make that person wey dey sell dey wrong. Now view fit dey different. Now, remember say all through last week we be dey buy because we were buying to a particular zone where we wanted to sell. So you know. Now, another person wey sell am since last 2 weeks, when we see the market actually sell well. Even the time when we first started to buy last week, he no go follow us buy. It was just the look us, but he still did the same. Because he knows say the buy when we dey buy, now pull back in B. So that is why I want you to always tell yourself this truth. The fact that you analyze and you execute a trade and it hits your TP doesn't make you the owner or the one who is controlling the market. Make sure you are that wise. Now only fool, now only they think like that. Now they always think like that. Sorry. Now only your person, now they think in once your TP is smashed, you call the ticks in and you feel talk, you feel do anything because that little mistake, that attitude, it will make you lose what you're not supposed to lose. And I'm telling you the fact. That morale, whenever you make so much from the market, you will not be feeling that yes, you know so much about the market. That small thing will make you lose what you make plan to lose, what you're not supposed. So you need to learn it now. Don't do it. Let's continue. So now, once you come to the market, take your time to understand the original trend. Remember, we only have 2 trends here, just 2 trends. We only have 2 trends here. It's either now uptrend. It's either an uptrend you or a downtrend. It's either an uptrend or a downtrend. So if you come, don't be sentimental if you want to do this. So let's do it now. So what will be our first thing? Let's go to the weekly time frame. This is like the last week of the month. So we go to the weekly time frame. Let's mark out our higher highs. That's our top resistance. This is our current support zone. Now, a lot of people are actually against this resistance, support. But let me tell you why you need to always mark them out. You need to always mark them out because behind every resistance and support zone, now there the information they do. So now when you learn to understand the information properly, now that time you will make good decision as a trader. If you don't sabi make decision from those structures, those market structures, then you never still really start with that. Understand? Because behind every resistance, behind every support, behind everything, no matter the way you want to call it, there's always an information. There's this information. I mean, the look is the marker now, so that we can feel the read the information clearly. So another thing later. So now we first of all need to mark our resistance, mark our current support, then mark the lower low here. This is the weekly chart. Why are we analyzing the weekly in the first place? Why are we doing this in the first place? Mr. Ifem, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. So please, everybody on Telegram, if anything we talk now, majorly, if you really maybe you don't really understand what I talk, quickly bring it back instead of you type, just unmute yourself and ask the question. Now, why are we even analyzing this weekly chart? We are analyzing this weekly chart because this is a new week, and like we always say, every time frame, every chart. Every time frame, there is market structure going on in every time frame. In every time frame, there's market structure going on there. For instance, if you open the monthly chart, you will see market structure. What is market structure? The way the market moves, you buy, sell, something like this. Now, if you open the 1 minute chart, you will also see the same market structure. So now we are on the weekly chart so that we go understand the weekly information, the weekly market structure, the clear information of the weekly time frame. Like, remember there's market structure playing out in all of this chart, all of the time frame. So on the weekly, what's the apple for weekly? So the weekly is still a bullish trend. Very clear bullish trend. Let's mark that. Very clear one. And here is our resistance zone. And last week, the market formed a lower support here, a new support. So what is the anticipation on the weekly? According to what we have on the weekly, after this pullback on the last 2 weeks, then last week we got started with that with the momentum candle. This week we supposed to see price above here. That is what the weekly. That is what we have on the weekly. Because if you check the weekly candle, last week candle actually closed with strength. It closes with strength. Maybe it closes with better strength. The weekly chart closes with high level of strength. This is a momentum candle. For those of you that knows what a momentum is. Momentum candle is. If you've been following us, and let me explain what a momentum candle is instead of Using that word. See, momentum candle, forget about the English. Wetin mean be say, as that particular candle just open, the first step when e make, you just continue that direction till the candle close. Remember saying na only two steps, na only two sides in this market. You see where they go up or they come down. Now, the moment the candle open, the first step when you make na up, you just go. As you just open, you just start to dey go up. Na so e take go up till on Friday. You see I'm saying this thing no get anything like in bar at all. Let me zoom out. You see I'm saying last week candle so e no get anything like say maybe you wan do pullback, any small pullback. As e just open, just start to dey buy. So we call it momentum candle. Then e come dey buy reach one resistance zone, e come close, unable to close it above the resistance zone. So how do we read that particular information now? How do we wetin we dey talk about here? Now let's do something. Market structure is for me and you to be sure that the buyers are still in charge, we need to break resistance, form a new one, pull back again, continue, break out, form a new one, pull back again, continue, break out. Then let's say like here this resistance. So we don't pull back last 2 weeks. Then last week we don't continue to buy. So for me and you to be sure that buyers are in charge, here needs to be broken. Understand? It needs to break above, form above the candlestick, not a clean back with a candlestick. Now that is what we confirm that the buyers are still in charge. But for now, we already have an information here. So let's do this business well. Make I come show you something. See, here we have an information here. The people on Telegram, I hope you can see where I'm talking. This particular candlestick is a reversal pattern. Let me say hold it. We have the reversal pattern here. Now, you see this particular reversal pattern. Here was the support. So this particular reversal pattern that we have here, according to market structure, for me and you to be so sure that this reversal pattern is not valid, this week is supposed to break above here, like this. This is supposed to happen here, like break above with a clear candlestick, close above here. Now, anything where they make am say e no fit close above here, that means this reversal pattern is very, very valid. And if it eventually breaks below this particular support, that is a clear confirmation. On the weekly time frame, no forget, now weekly we still dey, we never go below to daily first. Now, why do we need to analyze the weekly like this? Take our time to analyze it. You see, the higher time frame actually controls the lower time frame. The information where the higher time frame they give you is stronger than information when the lower time frame will give you. For instance, if you see a double top or any other reversal pattern on the 4 hours time frame, you are seeing a reversal. Then maybe the reversal pattern the user go down. Then you can't go 5 minutes time frame. You can't see triple bottom. And you know say for 5 minutes, you know say triple bottom, if they carry market go up. And double top, the carry market come down. Now, if you see triple bottom for 5 minutes and you see double top for 4 hours, it is always better and wiser to respect the 4 hours. That is why most of the times we dey always see reversal pattern may this market no respect am. E happen last week, na im be wetin chop my SL of Thursday and Friday. Now I saw a clear reversal pattern on the 30 minutes time frame because we were actually monitoring that market on the 30 minutes time frame. For those of you that were here last week, you fit still understand what I dey talk. Now we were monitoring all of our buy on the 30 minutes time frame. So the moment I saw that the 30 minutes time frame did not close above where we took our TP on Friday, on Tuesday, where my TP be dey. Was it Tuesday? On Tuesday, abi Wednesday. Now, on Thursday, as I say e no close above there, I know say me I come confirm say yes, that is because he wants to continue the down. And I be dey see the buy opportunity, but based on e never close above, now I close by, now I enter the sell. It's not the way e take chop the SL. Now I come dey talk that night say e be like say dis thing come first plan my time, you understand, but no shaking. So now sometimes we dey see reversal pattern for lower time frame make e no respect am. So with that one when e form for the 30 minutes, e no respect am. Rather, it was reacting to what is happening on the weekly and the daily time frame. And most especially the 4 hours time frame. Because now if you observe, you see this particular buy that this market buy last week. You see this buy when it buy last week. If you go to the 4 hours time frame, we have the clear reversal pattern there called bullish engulfing. Do you know? We have a clear reversal pattern that shows us this rugged buy. I saw it. Now we think we start the buy. That last 2 weeks Thursday. Now I form out, not the last week, the last 2 weeks Thursday. Now we can start the buy. Now, but last week Wednesday, me I was already thinking since the market don't reach here, saying I put the pullback when we anticipate on the daily, maybe that saying I'm not want to continue the same. And no respect am. So let's learn from that. Let's learn from that. So now, wetin be the conclusion for our weekly analysis? The conclusion here is very, very simple. At the top of the weekly chart, we have a reversal pattern there. Reversal pattern where they carry the market come down, but it never established because the original trend is still bullish. But market structure says for us to be sure that the market is still bullish, even after forming this reversal pattern, it has to break above the resistance. If you never break above the resistance, then we need to be look out for this reversal pattern so that we will whether if the user establish 1 or 2 reversal from uptrend to downtrend. So now what I will try to. So now let's go down to the daily time frame for clarity. Guys, are we together? The people on TikTok, are we together? Guys, if you are here, please double tap your screen. The people on Telegram, guys, are we together?
Yes.
All right. So now, I want us to do something here. On the daily chart, remember, you see that particular candlestick, that doji that forms on that particular weekly chart. That place when I draw this second, now weekly I will draw this thing. On the daily chart, it's a clear reversal pattern. So we will see how this thing works. So we don't come down. So it will be clearer to us. The more we come down, the more it will expand. So now on the daily chart, it's not a week. On the daily chart, it's a clear reversal pattern called head and shoulder. So it's either you are seeing head and shoulder or you are seeing bearish engulfing. Anyone where you want to see. Because the two dead here. If now only this one you see, you are right. That is a bearish engulfing. is a reversal pattern. It takes price from uptrend to downtrend. And if you see this one, if you see this, you are also right, because now what you do for here. So reversal pattern, it reverse price from uptrend to downtrend, head and shoulder. So it depends on the one where you will see, according to the one what you know. So me, I have seen the head and shoulder pattern, and also I saw the bearish pattern. So now we have it there. Then the market, I want to delete it for let me go clear. So now we break the neckline. Now, after the format, we break the neckline to form a support zone, a lower low. I want us to do it afresh. So let me delete this. Listen. So now, when you break here, you form here, right? There's one thing. We pull back, respecting market structure. Remember, that is clear market structure, right? From here, we pull back. Now, we continue the bearish move. We break this particular support now to form a lower low, right? Now, last week, now I called you this massive pullback. Now here, I want me to call focus on, because here it will start to do this massive pullback. Remember, we have the reversal pattern here, but this massive pullback when it comes in is already taking the market out of structure, but not out of structure exactly, but try to take it out of structure. Let me explain what I mean. Remember, you know when before they come on the weekly, you understand how it will come down, come out. On the daily, that thing will be like doji for weekly, maybe this reversal pattern for daily. And it's not just the reversal pattern. After the reversal pattern, the market actually established the reversal by breaking below the neckline. It breaks below the neckline to form a new lower support, pull back to that same neckline, respecting market structure. Then it continued the bearish move, break this support again to form a new support zone, pure market structure. So then we know. Now you see this buy, except you are not following me. If you be following me, you know, so after we do all this last 2 weeks, last 2 weeks Thursday, now we start to do this buy. We were already buying. When many people that are talking here now, they were still selling the market the last 2 weeks. We were already buying while they were still selling. And how were we able to spot the buy? You see this thing, this particular rejection peak bar here, we dey always dey try as much as possible to break down every move of this market. You understand? We break it down. Now, this particular pin bar, last 2 weeks Thursday, the 4 hours time frame formed a bullish engulfing here. This particular rejection, only this rejection when we see here, last 2 weeks on the 4 hours time frame, it gives us a clear bullish engulfing. So that bullish engulfing, now we tell you see the market one deep pullback. Now, why we are doing this back? Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the market favor us. Which year? On Thursday and Friday, my SF goes smashed. Why? Because my initial analysis, let me tell you what happened. My initial analysis was for the market after a good set of form here, it was for the market to pull back here, which is here where it break here. Yeah? Then we continue the sell. That was my own personal analysis. I am not a good trader, so we all understand that to fully analyze not finish, make the market do the opposite. So that is why we all have our own risk management in place. You understand? So you need to trade emotion. You need to understand what happened there. Now, as a court do this thing when it do Thursday and Friday, what do you think I will do this week? Because even the people when they buy, they feel no really even understand the buy where they buy. It gets why at the time you break everything down. You understand? I want you to understand that it's either this market will go up or it will come down. But if it go up and you did the up, it's always better to know why they go up and why you follow and they go up. So that make you no come go catch you unaware, then you come finish you for the matter. You understand? He said if you are paying attention to the fundamentals, you will know what to say. Many people always think that I am here looking for how to sell or how to buy, and you're actually missing it. You need to be wise. Now, let me teach you something here, and it's better you know it now. Because even the person that is talking about fundamentals now, I don't think you understand fundamentals analysis very well. You know that if you understand fundamentals, you will have said something when you make me know, see, you know what you talk about the fundamental analysis. Now, I basically trade the fundamentals very, very well every day. Now, we need to understand something here. What I'm trying to, the information I'm trying to pass across to you guys or to the people on this platform right now is not is for you not to be glued to a particular direction. You see, this market, the fact that we are currently in a bullish trend doesn't mean we cannot reverse to a downtrend. Now, the fact that it reverses to uptrend doesn't mean it cannot reverse to downtrend. And the fact that the market is currently a bearish trend doesn't mean it cannot reverse to uptrend. So you need to learn to always understand that so that you will not be trading with emotion. If we were buying, yes, or let's say for instance, like me that was buying between last 2 weeks Thursday, we buy, Friday we buy, Monday we buy, Wednesday we buy. On Wednesday we buy, then on Thursday and Friday my SL got smashed. Now another person who is not an experienced trader go still dey fight this market to make sure say he stack up sales because he actually want to sell the market. He want to sell the market. Now I am passing an information across for you to know that the fact that now you want sell doesn't mean that the market must sell because of you. You need to understand that market where you buy yesterday, if you reverse today, your own responsibility is to make sure you understand where we dey now, wetin this thing they do now, then take advantage of what they do according to today's information. Because many people knows how to analyze, but not many of them are making money. And I'm telling you the truth. They know what they are doing when it comes to analyzing the market, technically fundamentally, but they don't have the business orientation and keep them consistent in what I'm talking about. So sometimes we also need to learn and be wise. Let's learn and be wise. I pray Lord will give us understanding because it's not that easy. Maybe you are something to talk about. So now, what do you think I will do if my SL goes smashed on Thursday and Friday with this particular information? Now, I have a student here. I don't know if Mama is here. That Mama from Port Harcourt. You know, me and you have been following this market. We'll be buying the market, and we actually analyzed last 2 weeks. We actually analyzed that once it gets we're going to sell. But last week Thursday, was it a Thursday, when you made that last call, I told you that what my final confirmation to know if I will be selling or I will not be selling, then I called a particular number for you. I said, if this market breaks above that particular resistance, that will be a confirmation of the bullish continuation. Now, let me now break it down for you. I know you are not my student, but let me just give you that aspect, how to do something like this. Clear, listen. When we were buying this thing to this level, we were buying according to the market structure. Listen carefully. Where, because you see this, the day when they do election, all of this on our food, we use our chop food. The day when we still buy and go back to use as chop food. Now, listen to me. Why we are doing all of this? We know what to be the happen fundamentally and technically. Then we sell our each year. Then the day when we continue this buy, last 2 weeks Thursday, we were actually targeting to buy the market to this zone here. Then we go from here, say, okay, the people on Telegram know they see my hand here. Then we go from here, continue the sell according to market structure, what we have here. It is not according to based on say the market will be